newtons, laws. Sir Isaac Newton was the first to state correctly the basic laws governing the motion of a particle and to demonstrate their velocity. Their velocity slightly reworded with modern terminology. Those laws are law number 1, stated that a particle remains at rest or continues to move with uniform velocity in a straight with a constant speed. If there is no unbalanced force acting on it. Then law number 2 stated that the acceleration of a particle is proportional to the vector sum to the vector sum of forces acting on it and is in the direction of its vector sum. Is in the direction forces this forces vector sum. Law number 3 stated that the forces of action and reaction between interacting bodies are equal in magnitude opposite in direction and collinear with each other. They lie on the same line. The correctness of these laws has been verified by innumerable accurate physical measurement. Newton's laws forms the basic for most of analysis in dynamics. As applied to particle of mass, it may be stated as F Newton's second law has been verified by innumerable forms the basis for most forms the basis for most of the analysis in dynamics. As applied to a particle of mass m, it may be stated as MR, where F is the vector sum of forces. A is the resulting acceleration This equation is a vector equation because the direction of F must agree with the direction of A, and the magnitude of A and MA must be equal. Newton's first law contains the principle of the equilibrium of forces. Newton's first law contains the principle of the equilibrium of forces. The principle of the equilibrium of forces which is the main topic of concern in statistics. This law is actually a consequence of second law, since there is no acceleration when the force is zero and the particle either is at rest or moving with a uniform velocity. The first law adds nothing new to the description of the motion, but is included because it was part of Newton's classic statement. The third law of the Newton is basic to our understanding of forces. Is basic to our understanding of force. It states that force always occurs in pair of equal and opposite force. Forces always occur in pairs of equal and opposite forces. Thus, the downward force exerted on the desk, for example by the pencil, is accompanied by an upward force of equal magnitude exerted on the pencil by the desk. This principle holds for all forces, variable or constant, regardless of their source, and holds at every instant of time during which the forces are applied. Lack of careful attention to this basic law is the cause of frequent error by the beginner. In the analysis of bodies under the action of forces, it is absolutely necessary to be clear about which force of each action-reaction pair is being considered. It is necessary first of all to isolate the body under the consideration, and then to consider only the one force of the pair which acts on the body in question. The next section is about units.